Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master English Channel, where speaking English begins to feel natural. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Kevin. Hi, everyone. Sarah, you're smiling a lot today. Did something good happen?
Oh, yes, you won't believe this. I had the funniest moment this morning. I was making coffee before work, and I accidentally put salt in my coffee instead of sugar.
What? Salt in your coffee? How does that even happen?
I know. I was thinking about something else and not really paying attention. I took one sip and, oh my goodness, it was awful.
That sounds terrible. Did you actually drink it anyway?
Absolutely not. I poured it out immediately and made a fresh cup. But it reminded me of something. My very first day at my first job, I was so nervous that I wore my shirt backwards.
Oh no, backwards. Did anyone notice?
Yes, one of my coworkers told me during lunch. I felt so embarrassed, but she was incredibly kind about it. She said, "Hey, Sarah, I think your shirt might be on backwards." Very gentle, very sweet.
That was really nice of her. First days at work can feel so stressful.
They really can. You're meeting new people, learning new systems, trying to make a good first impression. And you know what? That's exactly what we're talking about today.
Oh, first day at work conversations?
Exactly. How to speak English confidently on your first day at a new job. All those important little conversations that help you start strong.
I love this topic. This is going to help so many of our listeners.
It really will. But before we jump into all those useful phrases, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you're enjoying Master English Channel and learning with us, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to click the like button too. It truly helps us continue creating these helpful episodes for you.
And if you know someone who's starting a new job soon, share this episode with them. It could make a big difference.
Thank you so much for your support. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. Now, Kevin, let's imagine it's your first day at a brand new office. You walk in the door. What happens first?
I guess I start meeting people, but honestly, I'm not sure what I should say to anyone.
So many people feel that way. And today, we're going to help everyone feel prepared and confident for that big first day.
I love this topic. This is going to help so many of our listeners.
It really will. But before we jump into all those useful phrases, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, if you're enjoying Master English Channel and learning with us, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to click the like button too. It truly helps us continue creating these helpful episodes for you.
And if you know someone who's starting a new job soon, share this episode with them. It could make a big difference.
Perfect question. Let's start with introductions. When you meet someone for the first time at work, you can say, "Hi, I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you. That's kind of the standard phrase, right?
Yes, exactly. You can also say, "It's a pleasure to meet you," which sounds a little more formal. Or you could say, "Great to meet you," which feels friendly and warm.
What does the other person usually say in response?
They might say, "Nice to meet you too, Kevin," or "Welcome to the team," or even, "It's great to have you here."
Welcome to the team. That sounds really friendly.
It is. Now, after the introduction, people often ask, "Is this your first day?" You can answer, "Yes, it's my first day. I'm excited to be here."
I'm excited to be here. That sounds very positive.
Very positive. It shows enthusiasm and a good attitude. You could also say, "Yes, I just started today. I'm looking forward to working with everyone."
Okay, so someone shows me to my desk. What should I say?
You can say, "Thank you so much," or "I really appreciate your help." These show gratitude, which is very important on your first day.
What if someone asks me, have you met everyone yet?
Good question. You could say, "Not yet, I'm still meeting people," or "I've met a few people, but not everyone."
And if they offer to introduce me to the team?
Then you say, "That would be great, thank you." Or, "Yes, please, I'd really appreciate that." It shows that you're open and eager to connect.
What about lunch? Lunchtime on the first day always feels a little awkward to me.
Oh, I completely understand. If someone says, "Want to join us for lunch?" you can reply, "Yes, I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me."
What if I brought my own lunch, but they invite me anyway?
You can say, "I brought lunch today, but I'd love to sit with you." Or, "Can I join you next time? I'd really like that."
Can I join you next time? That sounds polite and friendly.
Exactly. It shows interest without making things uncomfortable. Now, let's talk about asking for help. On your first day, you'll probably need help with many different things.
Yes, like where the bathroom is, where the printer is, how to log into my computer.
Exactly. So you can say, "Excuse me, could you help me with something?" Or, "Sorry to bother you, but could you show me where the printer is?"
Sorry to bother you. That sounds very polite.
It is very polite. You could also say, "Do you have a moment? I need a little help." Or, "Could you point me in the right direction?"
What if someone explains something, but I still don't understand?
Then you can say, "Sorry, could you explain that again?" Or, "I just want to make sure I understand. Could you repeat that?" These are completely fine to say.
That's reassuring. I always feel nervous about asking someone to repeat something.
Don't worry at all. On your first day, people expect questions. They know everything is new for you. Most people genuinely want to help. It's completely normal. Thank you so much for your support. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. Now, Kevin, let's imagine it's your first day at a brand new office. You walk in the door. What happens first?
I guess I start meeting people, but honestly, I'm not sure what I should say. What about meeting my boss on the first day? That feels like the most nerve-wracking part.
Yes, that can definitely feel intimidating. But remember, your boss is happy that you're there. When you meet them, you can say, "Hello, I'm Kevin. Thank you for this opportunity."
Thank you for this opportunity. That sounds very professional.
It does. You could also say, "I'm really excited to be part of the team," or "I'm looking forward to contributing." Both sound confident and positive.
What if my boss asks, how's your first day going?
You can say, "It's going really well, thank you. Everyone has been very welcoming." Try to stay positive, but also honest.
What if it's actually not going well? What if I feel confused or overwhelmed?
That's a very real question. You can still be positive while being honest. For example, you could say, "It's a lot to take in, but I'm excited to learn." Or, "There's so much to learn, but everyone has been really helpful."
Oh, that's smart. Positive, but still real.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about common questions people might ask you on your first day. Someone might say, "Where did you work before?"
How should I answer that?
You can say, "I worked at XYZ company for 3 years," or "This is actually my first job after graduation." Keep your answers simple, clear, and friendly.
What if they ask, what will you be doing here?
You could respond with, "I'll be working in the marketing department," or "I'm the new sales coordinator," or "I'll be supporting the finance team."
Those answers sound clear and confident.
They are. Now, what about ending a conversation? For example, when you need to return to your desk.
Yes, that part can feel awkward sometimes.
You can say, "Well, I should probably get back to my desk," or "I don't want to take up more of your time. Thank you for chatting."
I don't want to take up your time. That sounds very respectful.
It is very respectful. You could also say, "It was great talking to you. I'll let you get back to work." Or, "Thanks for your help. I'll see you around."
What if I need to use the restroom, but I don't know where it is?
That is a very practical question. You can simply say, "Excuse me, where's the restroom?" Or, "Could you point me to the bathroom?" Short and direct is perfectly fine.
Yes, definitely important information on day one.
Absolutely. Now, at the end of your first day, people might ask, "How was your first day?"
What's a good answer to that?
You can say, "It was great. Everyone was so welcoming." Or, "Really good. I learned a lot today." Or, "Wonderful. I'm excited to come back tomorrow."
Those all sound positive and genuine.
They are. And if someone says, "See you tomorrow," you can respond with, yes, see you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
That sounds friendly and natural.
It does. And finally, if someone helped you a lot during the day, make sure to say, thank you so much for your help today. I really appreciate it. That leaves a very strong and positive impression. Now let's practice a few full conversations so everyone feels completely ready. Kevin, I'll be your new coworker. You just walked into the office. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, you must be Kevin. I'm Sarah. Welcome to the team.
Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. Yes, today's my first day.
Great to meet you too. How are you feeling? Excited? Nervous?
A little bit of both, but mostly excited.
That's totally normal. Come on, let me show you to your desk.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. If you need anything, just ask, okay?
I will. Thank you.
Perfect. That sounded natural and friendly. Let's try another one. Now I'm a different coworker at lunch. Go.
Hi. Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Please join us. Is this your first day?
Yes, I just started this morning in the marketing department.
Welcome. How's it going so far?
It's going really well. Everyone has been very helpful and friendly.
That's great to hear. Are you from around here?
No, I actually moved here just last month.
Oh, wow. Well, welcome to the city, too. If you need any recommendations for restaurants or anything at all, just let me know.
Thank you. I really love that.
Excellent. See how comfortable you sounded? Let's do one more. This time, I'm your manager.
Okay.
Kevin, hi. Do you have a minute? I just wanted to check in. How's your first day going?
Hi. Yes, of course. It's going really well. Thank you. There's a lot to take in, but I'm excited to learn everything.
That's exactly the kind of attitude we love. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, actually. What time does the office usually close?
Most people leave around 5 or 5:30, but you can leave once your work is finished. We're flexible.
Great. Thank you for clarifying.
Of course. My door is always open if you need anything.
I appreciate that. Thank you for the opportunity to join the team.
We're very happy to have you.
Wow, that felt professional. I think I could really do this.
You absolutely can. Everyone listening right now, practice these phrases out loud. Say, hi, I'm your name. Nice to meet you. Go ahead, pause the episode and try it.
Yes, and try this one too. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Exactly. Now, we'd love to hear from you, our wonderful listeners.
Yes, we have a question for everyone.
In the comments below, tell us what was your first day at work like? Or if you haven't started yet, what are you most nervous about?
You can write something simple like, my first day was scary, but everyone was nice. Or, I'm nervous about meeting my boss. Or even, I start my new job next week.
This is fantastic writing practice, and we read every single comment. We truly want to hear your stories.
And if this episode helped you feel more confident about your first day at work, please hit that like button and share it with friends who are starting new jobs.
Yes, let's help each other succeed. Sharing is caring, as they say.
All right, Sarah, I think our listeners are ready to rock their first day at work.
I think so too. Remember, everyone, every single person was new once. Your coworkers remember their first days. They want you to feel welcome.
And it's completely okay to ask questions. Nobody expects you to know everything on day one.
So true. Be yourself, be polite, be friendly, and smile. That's the real secret.
And remember the phrases we practiced today. They'll make everything feel much easier.
They really will. Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We hope you feel more confident and fully prepared now for your first day at work.
The next time you start a new job, take a deep breath, smile, and use these phrases. You're going to do great.
We truly believe in you. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Good luck with your new adventures.
Bye-bye. You've got this.